Mr. Student. Today we are going to see the derivation of distance formula. Here we have the formula. You can see that if you take any two points on cartesian plane A and B, then the line segment you can find with the help of distance formula. That is your root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So we'll try to drag this one. AB equals to this. Okay, and this formula we call distance formula. So let's try to understand a little bit. So if we take a perpendicular line on it, and here also it will take a perpendicular line. So what you can see, if we give the name and one perpendicular line on it. Okay. So if we give a name AB, C here, and B here, and E. So what you can see that OE is what? X1, right? We are going here first X1 and then Y1. So that means this is your X1 and this is your Y1. Which one? AE. Now if you proceed for this OD, that means OD is your what? H2. This is your X1. Okay. And BD is what? Your Y2. This you need to know about it. Okay. Now we'll proceed. What? If you see this one, if you see the diagram, you can see that ABC is a what? Right angle triangle at angle C equals to 90 degree. Now to find this one, if you know AC and if you know BC, then we can use Pythagoras theorem and we can find this one. Okay. So our target is AC, and if you look at this diagram is nothing but a what? Rectangle. Why so? Because by construction you are taking this is perpendicular, 90 degree, and here also you have taken perpendicular. That is 90, 90, 90, 90. So in a quadrilateral, if each angle is 90 degree, we call rectangle. And we know that opposite sides of rectangle are what? Equal. That means AC equals to ED and CD equals to what? AE. I hope you people have got this much. Okay, let's start. How are we going to do that? Now we'll write here. Let ABC, not ABC, let A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 be any 2 point on Cartesian plane. Okay. So here, plane. So here what we have? Here, your OE equals to what? X1. OD equals to what? X2. That means, okay, we'll write after that. First, now we'll proceed for AE. That means CD equals to what? AE equals to what? Y1. What? Opposite sides of rectangle. That's why they are there. Next, our target is what? BC. Okay. We'll find first CD and then we subtract BD minus CD, we get your BC. So our demand part is here. BD equals to what? That is your Y1. And CD equals to what? That is your AE. Okay. Okay. So we have already written here. And BD is our Y2. Okay. This we have. Now we'll proceed. So next what you can see, our target AC. So AC means what? AC means ED, and ED means what? ED means OD minus OE. OD minus OE. And OD is what? X2 minus X1. We are getting X2 minus X1. Next, Next target is BC. BC means what? BD minus CD. Subtract this one. That means BC equals to BD minus C. That means y2 minus 1. Now in triangle ABC, angle C is what? 90 degree. Therefore we can say that AB equals to what? AC square plus BC square. Why? By Pythagoras theorem. Right beside this, by Pythagoras theorem. Now you substitute the value. AC means what? X2 minus X1 whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 whole square, and this is our distance formula. I hope you people have understood. Okay, thank you.